What's up, guys? How you all doing? I'm here with Dennis Arodi.
What's up, everybody? We got Hugo and Luke in the background.
Hey, they always play around over there. But we got more hot weather United States MRE.
I've never heard of a hot weather MRE.
And you served in army for a very long time.
If I had them, I don't remember it.
Yeah.
Whenever I was deployed, we never had to eat MREs. We always had food.
Well, maybe these ones are more like new ones. Who knows? Let's open them up and see what they're all about.
Ooh, we got some Applesauce right here.
What is the Applesauce?
You see the big Z in front of it? And this is Applesauce.
Oh man, you tricked me. That's because I don't speak English. Applesauce. Applesauce. That's interesting. Don't eat it yet.
Okay.
What else you got?
Oh, I got a First Strike nutritious energy bar right here. This actually is probably
pretty much everything the same, but mine is a lot. No, the same.
Mine's chocolate.
Oh, this is apple cinnamon flavor.
I like chocolate.
Man, you beat me.
Let's see what we got here is
carbonated electrolytes beverage powder.
I got beverage powder, grape, my
lemon
favorite.
and lime.
I love grape.
I like lemon and lime, so we both win.
Smells
Okay,
so
this
good.
little one. What is that? Energy gel. Look, do you have energy gel?
I got lemon lime energy gel right
I
here.
got orange energy gem. This is so cool.
So this is basically like eating maybe a 5-hour energy.
When I was a swimmer, I'd take them all the time. It's cool.
Dude, this looks good.
It's like coffee, you know?
Look what else I got. I've got energy gum.
What?
You didn't get
I
it?
had those before. They're really good.
This is gum that gives you energy.
But I have nut raisins mix. Much healthier.
I got smoked almonds. Way better. Let us know who's winning right now.
What
you
you
rather
got?
have this one or his? Smoked almonds.
Oh, that's good. I don't like that much. Toasted corn nuggets. Haha.
You got corn nuggets.
What is that? Do I have to add hot water in there maybe?
I don't know. I think this is all like ready to eat, ready to go. We don't even have to cook it.
Yeah, we just have to add cold water in there.
Yeah, this one I got
makes
another
sense.
one. I got fruit punch.
This is carbonate. Yeah, this is the
So
same
this
one.
is basically going to make sure that you're in the hot weather, you have the energy, and you're not going to be dehydrated.
And also you don't have to cook anything at all.
Pour the water in and go, 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 go.
Yep, just the cold water. Don't even have to heat it up. Let's go get water.
Okay.
So this is really cool. So many MREs I had. This is the first one that does not require heating up water at all.
Yeah,
that's
this one
the third
doesn't
one.
either.
Yeah,
Same
that's
one.
the third one, yeah. But that's insane. I thought for sure we'll have to boil water once again. Nope. So obviously we should do the prepare a beverage drink.
Let's do it.
Do you remember how to do them?
I think this one you just pour it in and shake, man.
I think you're supposed to do it halfway, right?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. This is actually awesome. So then there's a perfect zip tie, or ziplock, whatever you call it.
Ziploc.
Teamwork. Wow, is your blue?
Grape. Okay.
Oh, so it is blue. It's a Gatorade.
Yeah, I got grape. I
You
got
like
grape Gatorade.
Gatorade. That's so funny.
Seal it up and shake it.
It's like straight up blue. Mine is super orange, and it's more like, you know, one of those energy drinks. I have two of them. I'm gonna make both of them because I love energy drinks.
Dude, this is gonna be nice and tasty. It's hot here, so.
Oh, I have two different kinds. I got lemon and lime and orange. Haha, I got more than you do. Okay, tilted more. Running out of water. Okay, that's good. And again, this is like the best videos to make.
Dude, I'm ready.
All you do is eat.
I know. I've never really had one of these before. I would remember if I had.
Yeah,
one
this
of these.
is completely different.
It's
Looks
different.
like, yeah.
I'm excited to try my grape drink now.
You do? Okay, I'm gonna drink
Do
orange.
they come with straws?
Nope. Hold on, we got cheers.
All right, cheers.
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 Wow, this is so good. I love these packages. They're actually pretty easy to drink from.
Wow, that is really good, actually. Everybody always talks about in your comments how you always say everything's really good.
What do you think?
This is really good.
It tastes like Gatorade, straight up. Sponsored, not really.
Especially because it's hot here right now, so.
Oh yeah,
It's very
we
refreshing.
were just filming the bees, and it's hot. It gets hot over there, so it's perfect to do this.
Oh, that was so good.
Ooh, lemon and lime is interesting.
Oh, I should have let you try some of mine.
It's okay.
I was just so thirsty after wearing the bee, after wearing a bee suit here.
You want some lemon and lime?
Sure.
I like orange better, so
Really?
I'm not giving you. No, this is good stuff.
Let's try it out. Let's test it out. You guys want to try a sip? Here you go. That's what it looks like on the inside.
It's so good. Alright.
Yeah, I like the grape the best. I wish I'd like saved some for you. Just drink
No,
it so
it's
quickly.
okay. I believe you. It's a good.
What are you trying next?
I'm got here toasted corn nuggets. I don't even know what that means. Do
We're
you?
gonna find out right now.
Do you speak English all your life?
I don't. I think
And
maybe
you don't even know
maybe
cereal
they're-
or something?
Maybe they're like, yeah, like corn cereal, dried corn kernels, probably.
Interesting.
Probably just packed full of energy.
Oh wow, no way, you were right. It's like popcorn.
Oh,
No way.
It's like mini popcorn.
It's
like real corn.
unpopped popcorn. Have you seen anything like that?
We got some almonds right here. Just the classic traditional almond,
Mmm,
smoked.
it's so much better than this. It's like eating popcorn. Oh, this is good. I like popcorn so much better.
This is like Energy City right now. We're not gonna go to bed now. Oh yeah, the corn's
Isn't it
way
weird?
better.
Yeah, it's so much better.
I wish you guys would try this one because it really does taste good.
I need some energy. I'm gonna try out this energy gel.
Let's do it.
I got orange, you got lime.
Let's see. That's 140 calories,
Oh my goodness, that's a lot of energy.
3 grams of fat.
You know what? We'll have to skip a dinner.
Yeah. Oh man. We're having 29 total carbohydrates, 7 grams of sugar, and 0. I like how they put the
Everything
vitamins.
else is zero.
They
Yeah.
put the vitamins at 0%.
Yeah, why put
why?
it there? So you eat it.
Yeah.
Anyways, there goes. You know what? This is like jam. Look at that.
Uh-oh.
It's a stayed up jam.
I ripped this sucker wide open. Look at that. I can show
Oh
you.
yeah, that's a good way. Look,
a
it's
look.
like a little gem.
It's like slime, basically.
Tastes like kids would eat something like that. I don't like it.
You know what though? When you're in the field, you probably eat this like.
when you like really hot,
Oh, I bet this is so
it
good.
would so delicious. Honestly, yeah. But right now it's like tastes like something kids would eat. You know? Ew.
There's no flavor to it.
Yeah, it's a little bit of flavor. It's mostly slimy. I usually give you a napkin.
All right, let's redeem ourselves from that energy gel with some Applesauce.
Yeah, energy gem was not good.
You know what's crazy though? Is to think like how good that probably is though in the right environment.
When you're hot.
When you're hot, you're hungry, you got nothing to eat. All right,
Or nothing to cook with.
This is Applesauce.
Mmm. This
Oh,
is
it's so
weird.
good. I like mine a lot. Oh, you have you probably have the cinnamon one, right? Ugh.
Ah, that's why. Give me give me some of that type. Mmm. Wow, apple is so much better. Ew, this is disgusting compared to apple. Oh, the apple definitely wins big time.
That's so gross.
I was like, why is he liking it? I like everything.
Look, this is how it comes out too. You just squeeze the top.
And there's like a little gem up in there. It's so good. Anyways, you have gum. Oh, let's do chocolate next.
Yeah, chocolate's good.
This is interesting chocolate bar packaging. Oops. Look at that. That's like a big energy.
That's yours is chocolate?
Oh no, mine is
Apple cinnamon.
apple cinnamon
Mine's chocolate.
energy. Ooh, I love those energy bars, but they're such a high calorie. You gotta be careful with those.
It goes in like it comes out.
You're so bad.
Oh, not bad.
It's good. You want a piece?
Oh man, I
What?
can eat this. Not bad.
Yeah, why is everything I have with cinnamon?
You got-
Yeah, chocolate is a little better, but I like this one as
Not
well.
bad either.
Mhm.
Let's see what's inside here. This chocolate bar has 45 grams of carbohydrates. That'll give you some power. 45 grams. It also has 280 calories.
Whoa, it's like eating a burger. Like, I mean, small burger.
It's amazing how they can pack so much power for your body in one little bar.
So
Let
good.
us know in the comments below, if you were to pick one, would you want the chocolate pack or would you want the cinnamon pack?
You know what? I think at the end of the day, everything was much better in yours than mine. for the
More?
most part.
Feel
No,
more?
it's okay. I want to see what this one. But I have nuts and raisins, and he got the gum. Just a bunch of mixed nuts.
It's so hard to chew this chocolate.
Yeah, I was doing small bites. It's
Big
definitely
bite.
work hard for your chin too.
This is military energy gum. Check
I
it
actually
out.
have put that to the test by itself before.
Oh, look at that. It's a very pretty blue.
Big gum too.
I wonder what flavor this is. What do you think? Let's take a look. You
Mint.
guys take a guess right now what flavor
mint,
this is.
mint.
Mint. It is flavored. Oh, you were close. I don't know. You guys be the judge.
Peppermint.
Arctic mint.
Oh, no.
Well, that's good.
But
That tastes like candy.
I have tasted those before. They don't last that long at
Yeah.
all. Like the taste goes away instantly.
I can't believe it's going through like 4 flavors right now.
But yeah, no, I'm good.
How does it give you energy?
I don't know. I guess it has vitamins and
All right,
stuff.
so it says 100 milligrams of caffeine per piece.
Oh, that's why you getting caffeine wakes you up.
There's 5 pieces in here, so 500 milligrams of caffeine. How many milligrams of caffeine are in a cup of coffee?
I have no idea.
Do you know?
Good question. Let us know in comments below. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Let us know in comments below what you think. What was your favorite piece?
My grape energy drink was my favorite. My second favorite was the gum. Third favorite, the chocolate.
Honestly, my favorite was Colonel whatever
Yeah.
this is. I don't even know what it is. I never tried those before.
That wasn't even in my pack, and that's my favorite too.
Yeah. But yeah, subscribe to Dennis Rodian. Check him out. I'll put links in the description.
Thanks so much, everybody. And hit that subscribe button with the notifications on.
See you next time.
Peace out. You know, when in the army, we would trade. So if I liked your toasted corn, I'd be like, yo, you want my grape drink? And you'd be like, no, I want that.
Yeah,
I want that applesauce, not that cinnamon sauce. I'd be like, okay, deal. I'll trade you, whatever, we'll make change.
cinnamon sauce. Do you want my cinnamon? Everybody
don't
would be
want
like,
that.
no.
Yeah, everybody says no.
It's whoever stuck with the worst one. You're like, oh no. You know what? I actually seen the videos. American Army would trade the MREs with like Australia or New Zealand. Yeah, those are cool.
They trade them?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
Those cool videos. I watch them.